Hi children, welcome to social science class. Today we are going to learn about the land of ice, Greenland in this video. So in this video we are going to learn about the location and physical features of Greenland. We'll also understand the climate and vegetation of Greenland, and also we'll discuss about the lifestyle of the people of Greenland. So come, let's begin with our lesson. Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent and is a country. Its capital is Nuuk, earlier known as Godthab. The first European who visited Greenland was an explorer called Erik the Red. He gave the island its name. Greenland is the third largest country in the continent of North America. It is a country which remains under snow and ice all through the year. Now let's discuss about the location and physical features of Greenland. Greenland is located between the latitudes of 59° and 83° north and the longitudes of 11° and 74° west. The Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland. Thus, most of this island lie in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. The region is also known as the tundra region. 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. Huge pieces of ice frequently break and float in the sea. They are called icebergs and are a great danger to ships in the sea, because when an iceberg floats on water, most of it remains underwater. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country, and thus most of the people live here. Iceland is the nearest European country. Greenland is a part of Denmark with its capital at Nuuk. Now let's talk about the climate, wildlife and vegetation of Greenland one by one. Climate. Greenland has a short summer season but a long winter season. The temperature never rises more than 10 degrees Celsius during the warmest summer months. Continuous sunlight shines on the island for weeks together. The ice caps often melt during the summer months. In winters, the winter season lasts for a duration of 9 months. The sun may not be seen for weeks together. Heavy snowfall occurs and the temperature remains well below the freezing point. Chilly winds blow during the winter months. An interesting fact here is Greenland is also called the land of midnight sun, because the sun does not set but shines even at midnight during the summers in some areas closer to the poles. Now let's move to wildlife of Greenland. Only the animals that can withstand the extreme cold weather are found here, like the polar bear, reindeer, muskox, wolf, Arctic fox. Several varieties of fish and seabirds are also found here. Vegetation of Greenland. Nothing grows in the ice-covered areas of Greenland. There are no forests and no crops can be grown here. Plants like cotton grass, lichen grow in southern Greenland during the summer months. There are no forests. Some flowers bloom during the spring season. Summer and spring seasons last for a very short span of time. Now let's talk about the economic activities and changing lifestyle of the people of Greenland. The Eskimos or Inuit are the original inhabitants of Greenland. They call their land Kalalit Nunaat, meaning land of the people. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals found in the region. The skin and fur of the animals are used to make clothes. Earlier they used bows and harpoons for hunting, but now they use guns. In the past, the Inuits were nomadic. They used sledges pulled by dogs for transport. They used boats called kayaks for fishing in the sea. A large boat called the umiak is also used for hunting whales. While roaming around, the Inuits used to live in temporary houses made of blocks of ice called igloos. However, to the Inuit, igloo meant a house, whether made of ice or wood or bricks. A hole is made in the center of the dome to let out the smoke and the hot air. The floor is covered with animal skin and fur. During the summer, the Inuits live in skin tents. The fat or blubber of seals and whales is burned to give heat and light. Most Inuits now lead a settled life. They live in small villages or towns or the sea coast. They go on hunting trips which may last for several days. They have fast motorized sledges for transport. They use motorboats for fishing. The people wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. Men, women, and children wear jackets with hoods lined with fur called parkas. Long boots made of sealskin keep their feet warm in the snow. Today, Greenland has a mixed population, mostly of Inuit and Europeans. The total population is only about 56,000, less than the population of even a small town in India. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town with a population of about 15,500 people. Now let's talk about the eating habits of people of Greenland. All requirements of the Eskimos are met by using animals and animals products. They get their food from the sea animals. Reindeers give them milk, meat, skin and bones. Their favorite food includes a variety like seals, reindeer meat, liver of walrus and the skin of whales. Now let's talk about the agriculture and industries of Greenland. Fish processing is the main industry of Greenland. Sheep are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast. A very small part of the land in the southwest is suitable for agriculture and some vegetation such as potatoes are grown there. You know children, the northern part of Greenland is very close to the North Pole. So children, I hope you enjoyed this chilling trip of the largest island of the world, the Greenland. Thank you.